In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Jira roadmap in just 5 minutes. If you're new to Jira or looking to enhance your project management skills, this walkthrough will guide you step by step through the process. We'll focus on setting up your Jira roadmap efficiently, ensuring you can start planning and managing your projects with greater clarity and success. First, let's head over to the Jira website. This is the starting point for accessing all the powerful tools Jira has to offer. Once you're there, the next step is to sign in. You'll want to click on the Google option to sign in using your Google account. This is a simple and secure way to access your Jira workspace, especially if you're already using a Google account for your work-related tasks. Now that you're logged in, let's dive into creating your roadmap. You'll see a Projects tab. Click on the plus icon here. This action is crucial as it opens up the necessary options for creating and managing your projects within Jira. Think of it as your launchpad for project management success. Once you've clicked on the plus icon, the next step is to look for the Product Management tab. Click on that and it will guide you toward the organizational features that Jira offers, specifically tailored for product management. This tab is essential as it provides a suite of tools to create product roadmaps that align with your project goals. Now for the exciting part, creating your roadmap. Click on the Product Roadmap section. This area allows you to visualize and strategize all your upcoming project milestones. A product roadmap is incredibly useful as it acts as a high-level blueprint, helping you track progress and stay aligned with your objectives. At this point, you'll want to select Use Template. Clicking on this will simplify the process by providing a structured starting point for your roadmap. Templates are beneficial as they offer predefined structures and assist you in customizing your roadmap, ensuring it meets your project's unique needs. Remember, the process we've just outlined is designed to optimize your use of Jira's roadmap feature. By following these steps, you'll have a comprehensive view of your project's trajectory and the ability to manage it effectively. Jira roadmaps are a powerful tool to enhance your project management capabilities, helping you to communicate with your team and stakeholders more transparently and efficiently. That's a wrap on how to use a Jira roadmap. With these steps, you're well on your way to mastering project management through Jira. Thank you for joining me today, and don't forget to explore all that Jira has to offer for an even deeper dive into efficient project management.